Let me show you how to recover deleted TikTok videos. Maybe you accidentally deleted a TikTok video or deleted it and now regret it. Luckily, you can restore it. For example, if you delete a video, tap the three dots on the bottom right of the video and select delete. To recover it, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, and select the gear, the setting, and privacy. Scroll down to Activity Center under Content and Display, then tap Recently Deleted. Here you can see deleted videos for up to 30 days. Tap the video you want to restore, then select Restore at the bottom and confirm. Return to your profile and refresh, it will be back on your account. And that's it.